ceremony is central to the preservation and celebration of Aboriginal Australia, with hundreds of social groups performing nuanced rituals that bring song, dance and medicine together to connect people to the Tjapaltjarri, or the dreaming, a worldview that embodies Aboriginal Australians' cultural beliefs. The artwork Tingari Men and the Ancestral Snake at Wilkinkarra depicts symbols associated with the swamp site of Marua in Western Australia. The Tingari are a group of ancestral beings who travelled over vast stretches of the country, performing rituals while creating and shaping particular geographic and spiritual sites. In our modern world, coffee is a fundamental morning ritual for many, and this artwork brings ceremony and the power of the dreaming into your everyday.